Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another vlog. Today is Monday. It's December 30. So 2 days to go. It's New Year. Kamusta naman ang inyong mga Pasko? And now, may handa na bang lahat for Buena Noche? I'm just making pancakes. I got the pancake mix from Bisquick. Then I put 1 egg and milk. I think I need more milk. Kahagising ko lang actually. Si Warren nagising ng maaga. Dahil kay Reaper, nagtatatahol. Gusto umihi ata. Di na siya nakatulog. Ako tulog naman ng maayos. It's already 7 a.m. here. So, late na ako nagising. Kaya, yan, gawa kagad ng breakfast. Naparami yata yung breakfast. Nalagyan ko lang yung pancake mix. Little. Ako gusto ko sa pancake yung sunog. Toasted. Pero for Warren, it's burnt. Sunog. Taas ang mga kamay ng mga gustong toasted ang kanilang pancake. Tapos lagyan naman ng margarine, sugar, and then evap, no? Sarap. Hello, my love.
A roll.
My coffee.
Yes, probably the last cup.
Oh. You still have pancakes.
You know.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
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 I love you.
Love you.
Let's eat breakfast. This is for my husband and this is my plate. I don't like egg, tsaka hindi ako masyado kumakain ng breakfast din. So, let's eat!
We're going to have some grocery for the Buena Noche, for the New Year's Eve. So, mag-grocery lang kami, guys. Ayun si Wari nasa labas. Chine-check yung pickup trucks niya. Namatay kasi yung nawala ng battery. China-charge lang niya using yung isang truck. Hi! That one. The Dodge and the Chevy. Nawala ng battery yung Chevy kaya china-charge. Ayan. So, ito yung binigay sa akin ni Warren nung Christmas. Dalawa siya, dalawang set na hoodie. White and black. I probably wear the white hoodie tomorrow for New Year's Eve. And then this outfit is really nice. So comfy. Alam niyo yun, lazy outfit lang. Because we're just going to do grocery today. So parang, you know, and it's like bed weather. Ayan, very nice. So comfy. And then ito yung back niya. Ang ganda. Pink. Ayan, from Victoria's Secret. Then yung shoes ko, ito pa yung binili ko sa Pinas. Yung New Balance. Ayan. And probably will go ahead na to do grocery. Yeah, for my bag, I'm just wearing my very cute camera bag from DKNY, and this is also given by my husband. Gift niya rin sa akin yan. We're going to use the Dodge. Hindi ako makakit dito, sobrang taas. Hi! Help me! goodness. We need to clean this again, my love. This is my husband's working truck and also the Chevy. We're going to take this. We decided to take this kasi hindi na na-drive ni Warren. Para magamit naman. Kaya namatay yung Chevy dahil hindi nagagamit for almost more than a month, no babe? It's not worked, or it has not been.
They matter because it ain't been started, so long.
Yeah. Finding a parking slot. Not too many people today.
No, it's Monday.
Or probably tomorrow. Tomorrow will be jam-packed. Yeah, we're taking the Dodge today kasi hindi naman ganun karami yung bibili namin. Yeah, I need to jump.
Every time we go to Walmart, we start at the end. These are the grocery section. Those are for apparels. Gusto ko ng Yakult. Get some Yakult.
Valentine's decorations. Sabi namin konti lang yung grocery namin. I'm stuck in here. There's a lot down there.
Finally home, so I'm going to make a quick haul sa mga nabili namin sa grocery. So first, siguro itong bumili na rin ako ng mga fruits for New Year. I got green grapes. I will put it in the bowl later. Also have the panchos. This is good with the nachos. Deep shell. Kapag namimili kasi ako, inaayos ko na siya kapag parang hindi magulo. Also got heavy whipping cream. I got 2 and also butter. Stock siya. May paper pa naman tayo pero bili na rin ako maliit. Next, the chocolate chunk cookies. This is good. Yan. Bell peppers. Wax scents. Pabango siya. Yan, mga wax. Pampabango sa bahay. I got 3 new scents. Meron pa ako dito, mga old ones. Ayan. At ito, nabili ko sa Dollar General. Hindi masyadong mabango. Hindi siya maamoy. Also got Koi's. This is good. Para siyang tang, pero masarap. Next, Yakult. I got 2 Yakult. Yan. Same taste din sa Yakult sa atin. White onion and tomatoes. Malalaking tomatoes. Wala na kami makitang round na makakain talaga namin, so we choose tomato. I also got tissue, paper towels. Meron pa naman akong stock, kaya konti naman binili ko muna. 6 pieces. Next one, I've got Maxwell's House coffee. This instant coffee. I'll try this. Gusto kasi na parang nakita ko lang siya, natakam ako. Instant coffee siya. Tomato paste. And then some pineapple slices for the ham. Then I got 3 tomato paste. Also got some potato kasi plano ko mag-steak tomorrow and baked potato. So I chose these big potatoes. There for tomorrow for my fruit bowl. Candy! Naka-sale siya. Naka-sale na to, 50% off. Yan. Yung mga nilabas nila ngayon is for Valentine's Day. Also got some chips. Ayan, itatry ko lang siya kung masarap. Para siyang Lay's. Itong great value para siyang bonus sa Philippines. Also got some Rolo chocolate. Then, ito yung cable ni Warren. Speaker cable. Of course, rice. Rice is life. So next one is some aking panglinis. Yan, panlampasos sa sahig. Mabango to. Fabuloso. Next, Warren got a Crunch and Munch caramel popcorn. And some mac and cheese. Also got some turtles. I really love turtles. Creamer. Got two. This is good also. Coffee creamer. Peanuts. And Alfredo 4 cheese. We've tried, this is our first time to try this brand. Tingnan natin kung masarap. Pero yung last time kasi yung, ano ang brand yun? Pesto ata? Preto ba? Check ko nga wait. Yun yung nabili namin. That was good. Let's see kung masarap. Try ko pala yung isang brand ng 4 cheese. Pero yung classic ko, itatry natin. Kasi wala kami nakitang try ko kanina. So, yun na lang muna yung itatry natin. Then I got penne, pasta. Of course, cheese, Velveeta, and mozzarella. And also bologna. For the meals, we got ground pork. We have ribeye steak with 4 tapa, tsaka beef steak. And also, ang aking favorite part, which is lamb and salvage chicken. Ito yung pinapang ko, machado, ganun, caldereta. It's good. Also got, what's this, ribeye steak fin. Ayan, ito, ang steak ko. We got 2, and thin sliced pork chops. Yeah. Also got chicken, I got wings. Ayan, things. And sometimes I got for the brownies and also this one for the ham. So ito, i-divide ko siya kasi hindi namin naman mauubos ito lahat. So minsan, tatlo, dalawa. Kaya kailangan i-divide siya. Kasi dalawa lang naman kami ni Warren dito. Hindi namin kailangan magluto ng marami. So dinidivide ko siya para kapag lalagay sa freezer, kukunin na lang, then ito to. Imbis na, sila kasi dito, di ba sa atin pwede ilagay ulit sa freezer after i-defrost, sila dito hindi. So, yung first time ko dito, kumuha ko ng wings, is chicken fillet. Hindi ko alam paano niluto ko. And then, hinayaan ko lang siya dun sa freezer na nakabukas, ganun. Hindi naman ako pinalitan, pero nagsabihan ako na hindi daw ganun. So, alam yung ginawa nila, pinapon nila. Sayang. Kasi for them, ano na siya, sira na. Ganun. Kaya dito, kapag kunwari, naka-sealed siya dapat, tsaka walang air. Sealed talaga. Like this, 3 parts siya, para alam ko kung ilan yung nandito, para alam ko kung ilan yung, kung marami lulutuin ko sa time na yun, or yung konti lang. So, I will choose 2 piece. Kung marami, 4 piece. Ganun.
Hi, nalobat ako guys. Nag-church pa ako. Tinawagan ko si mama. Ayun, so now I'm preparing our dinner. I'm cooking pork binagoongan. I got all the ingredients that I needed. Kamatis, I got chili, bawang, sibuyas. I got my fried eggplant na, and of course, the pork. Yan. So, I will be parang frying yung pork muna. Ipapa-brown natin siya. I'll put you here. Oh, the bagoong that I'm going to use is the Barrio Fiesta. I just ordered it in Amazon. Ang tagal na nito sa akin. Probably 2 months na or more. I don't know. Pero hindi pa rin siya sira. Wala pa rin siyang amag. It's nice. Maganda yung quality. Pasensya na yung kawali ko. Gamit na gamit talaga yan. Dito ako lagi nagluluto kasi ewan ko ba? Siguro dahil gamit na siya. Ayokong maluma agad yung iba. Kaya ito lagi kong gamit. Ayan, after probably 1 minute, 2 minutes sauteing it, we're going to add the bagoong. Probably 2 tablespoon. Ganun. Isa lang natin siya. So, ganito na yung magiging itsura niya after. Then, probably add 1 cup of water.
After 45 minutes, like almost an hour, ito na siya guys. Nagmantika na siya. Pwede na siya hanguin. Yan, hindi ko imimix yung eggplant kasi ayaw ni Warren ng eggplant. So, hindi ko siya imimix dyan. Pero ako kakain nun.
See you guys on our next one. Papahinga na muna kami. Movie marathon. Movie marathon. Yellowstone marathon.
Yeah, we'll watch a little bit of Yellowstone.
Yeah. Goodbye. See you on the next video.